Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to contact Wix by phone. So let's go to the browser first. Now we have to write here contacting Wix customer support for sorry customer care for support. You can delete this for Wix customer care for support. Click on enter and you'll find the first option contacting Wix customer care for support, and then you can see here English 24/7, Dutch this time, in French if you are using if you are in France then you can call this time, German this time, and Portuguese, all of this country this time has been added here. Now if you want to talk with them, you have to click on get started. Okay, so this is how you can contact Wix by phone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.